Hi, happy people. This is Mr. Wilcox coming to you from my kitchen table. We've been talking about z-scores and percentiles. Today we're going to use the graphing calculator in order to find these percentiles. Hopefully you all still have yours. I did hand them all out to you before you left, so hopefully you all have them and they are all still charged because I gave you new batteries. So here is what we're going to use today in order to find percentiles. So I'm going to pause for a second so you can write this down in your notebook and so that you can find those buttons on your calculator. I did post a video below this one on Brightspace on how to find percentiles using the graphing calculator that actually gets to show you a graphing calculator. I don't have the program on my Chromebook that I have at school that can show you exactly what I'm doing, but I am going to try to walk you through it. So we're going to use the vars button, and we're going to use the norm button, and we're going to enter our percentile as a decimal for our area, because remember that's the area under the graph. We're going to enter our given mean and standard deviation, and then the calculator will give us the value that is our percentile for for anything that's normally distributed. I don't know why I still can't say that in this video. I'm sorry. So here's our example. I'm going to pause here for a second so you can write them down, and then we will talk about it. So it says the score for an entrance exam to a firefighter program is normally distributed with a mean of 200 and a standard deviation of 20. So we want to know what score represents the top 5%. So remember, a percentile gives you the number below. So if we want the top 5%, we don't want the 5th percentile, we want the 95th percentile. So into our calculator, we're going to hit the second button. We're going to hit the var so that we have the distribution screen. Remember the distribution screen, we're going to go down to 3, which is our normal. So the area we're going to enter is 0.95. Arrow down to your mean, which is 200. Arrow down to your standard deviation, which is 20. Then you're going to hit paste. So what that does is it pastes those numbers into the function for you. And then if you hit enter, it will actually do the function, and it gives you the value that is the 95th percentile. In this case, the score that's the 91st percentile is 232.90. All right. What score would represent the bottom 20%? So the bottom 20% is our 20th percentile. So we're just going to hit our second VARS again to get the distribution screen. Hit 3 again. And your mean and your standard deviation are going to stay the same. So here we just have to change our area to 0.20. Go down to paste, hit enter, and it'll tell us that it is 183.17. All right, so when you go back into your calculator, when you hit second vars, when you go to 3, if you want to delete anything, just make sure you use the clear buttons, and then you can re-enter anything you want. Try not to use the delete button. If you do accidentally delete something and you need your calculator reset, please just contact me and I'll walk you through that process. So that's all I have for you today on percentiles with the graphing calculator. I hope you are all happy. I hope you're all healthy, and I hope you all have a great day.